There's no doubt that all these modern technologies, such as gene experts machine, other molecular testing devices, TrueNAT, there are many of them now. They have helped to improve TB diagnosis. Firstly, they provide rapid and accurate TB detection. For the gene experts now, once the sputum is collected, the machine can run the test within 2 hours, the person will get his result. So the results are not being delayed. So test results, the turnaround time for test results is so rapid. And of course, some of those devices can, process many samples. Like the TB lab, for example, can process up to 32 samples at a go. The gene expert machines also, you have various types. Some have 4 modules, some have 8 modules, some have 16 modules. And with those different modules, then they can run like thrice in a day. So, there is increase in the number of samples that, they run to make sure that, people are tested. And of course, they are very highly sensitive and the specificity is also accurate. The gene expert machine is able to detect the TB. And if it is the strain that is resistant to the first-line drug, the gene expert machine is also to detect what we call RIF-resistant TB. So it also has helped, for the program to know the right type of regimen to place a patient. If you have the normal TB, what we call drug susceptible to TB, or you have the drug-resistant TB, they'll be able to know which drug to give you. So those technologies, modern technologies, has really helped in improving TB diagnosis and also in the treatment. So for the challenges, well, as at today, we only have 66% of the local government, having the gene experts machine. It means there's still a gap, you understand. You don't have the gene expert machine in all the local government. In country today, we have about 513 gene expert machines, giving you a gap of, 216. So there is need for that gene expert machine to be everywhere. And of course, what that means is that the funding, to make sure to procure those machines, to make sure that they are everywhere. And that also will remove the stress of moving samples from one local government to another. Where they don't have gene experts, you move them to another local government where they are gene experts. That's one challenge. Then secondly,